Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm Fritz on Fritz here with my friend Snowman Dan. We're here live at one of our favorite hangout spots, Peninsula Park in Pateros. Today, we're going to taste test the Goldrush Smokie's brand, beef and cheese Smokie beef sticks. My friend recently bought this in downtown Pateros at the Wright's Dollar Plus store earlier today. A very nice place. Good selection. Yeah. Full disclosure, Goldrush Jerky is not a sponsor of this video. Ta-da! Thanks everybody. Cheers everybody. Clank. 1 ounce. Ooh, smell peppery. Cheesy.
It's sure it's not the cheese. It's definitely something.
Oh, wow.
Try that out.
Thanks everybody. Look at that. Ha 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 ha.
Should I rip?
Harry har.
Eat the whole half or save a piece in case Rich wants to try it? I could save a small piece just in case Rich wants to try it. Just a small piece.
Wow. Oh yeah. Good flavor, texture, almost melts in your mouth. Quality is it's not hard as leather compared to some other jerkies. Not spicy at all. Good balance with the beef and the cheese flavor coming through.
Cheese kind of makes it sort of a smoother flavor.
Smooth, creamy almost. On a scale of 1 to 10. I would give the Goldrush Smokies beef and cheddar beef stick a 9.47. Wow, I am pleasantly surprised with this Goldrush brand. If you've had them, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them have been. How about you, Snowman Dan? What would you give it?
Well, I would give it maybe a 9. Let's see, 9 point. I'll give it a 9.5. And if I compared it to other ones, I would, if I, just for flavor, I would give it a 9.5. But if I was to compare it to some of the other beef sticks that I've had, I would probably actually even score it higher than that. So 9.7 in comparison to other ones, and 9.5 just for overall flavor.
Good deal.
Good stuff. Good.
Wow. Until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day and a safe and fun holiday weekend. Ta-da.
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 Ta-da.